Good evening, students. All noble professions need to have ethical standards, whether statutory or self-imposed, to channelize professionals on the path of honesty, integrity, dedication, and moreover towards virtues of good citizenry. So in this regard, Vishwacharya Technological University has introduced a new subject which is called as Constitution of India, Professional Ethics and Cyber Law. In this subject, the students are supposed to study Introduction of Indian Constitution, Union Executive and State Executive, Elections Amendments and Emergency Provisions, Professional and Engineering Ethics, and also Internet Laws, Cyber Crimes and Cyber Laws. In the earlier classes, we have studied the first three modules. Today, let me introduce about Professional and Engineering Ethics. As you know that ethics is a philosophy and body of knowledge dealing with human behavior and science of morality. It specifies the professional behavior of a person. Here, morality refers to any aspect of human action. Hence, it concerns the goodness of voluntary human conduct that affect the self or other living things. What is applied ethics? It deals with specific prescriptions of behavior, values, and beliefs in a given context. You know that at the time of graduation, you will have to take oath that will be abide by code of ethics in the respective professions. And you have to follow that, otherwise university has a right to take your degrees. Ability to distinguish right and the wrong and having the conviction to the right things all the time. Most of the times our conscience will tell us what is right and also what is wrong. Hence, lack of moral values and conviction grade, hunger for power and other situational compositions drive people to commit unethical acts. So let us study the 5 important aims or the goals in studying ethics. Stimulating our moral imagination, helping us recognize moral issues, helping us analyze key ethical concepts, engaging our sense of responsibility, and above all, helping us address and clarity, uncertainty and disagreement about moral issues. Why to study engineering ethics? So you may be aware that once you learn about ethics, definitely it will increase the ability of concerned engineer or citizen and others to have a responsibility by technological activity. The moral problems, those must be resolved, involve vagueness and conflicting reasons. The study of engineering ethics helps us to develop skills in dealing with moral dilemmas. So professional ethics, it is a set of standards adopted by professionals insofar as they see themselves acting as professionals. Personal ethics is the set of one's own ethical commitments, usually given in early home or religious training and often modified by later reflection. Common morality is the set of moral ideas shared by most other members of a culture or a society. So what are the goals of engineering ethics? It is exciting the moral imagination, recognition of ethical issues, develop analytical skills, the sense of responsibility, and tolerating disagreement and ambiguity. Ambiguity is nothing but confusion. So why code of ethics is required? As the profession of engineering grows in stature within our society, engineering and engineers will be increasingly examined and scrutinized by the public, the media, the government, and the profession itself on moral and ethical questions. For example, if you become a graduate, so tomorrow you have a sense of responsibility being a civil engineer, and isn't it the examples which you are going to do have values. Having thoroughly developed the code of ethics of this magnitude, along with the members, those adhere to the code will be vitalized, useful in the process. So types of inquiry also you should know, because once you are not ethical, then there may be a few inquiries. So to identify the values which guide the individuals and groups, conceptual inquiries to clarify important concepts or principles for ideas, whether the ideas are expressed by single words or by statements and questionnaires. Factual or descriptive inquiries provide facts needed for understanding and resolving value issues. So let us conclude the topic with understanding the difference between the win-win approach and win-win-win approach. In win-win approach, so actually I will be helping you and you will be helping me. Whereas in win-win-win approach, so it is a total ethics, right? So we will be, if I am not paying the income tax, the government also will be losing it. So hence it is my moral responsibility to pay the income tax. So benefit to me, a benefit to the government. It is a win-win approach. That MCQ question I have already given and you try to solve those things. Thank you.